Ever wondered how Sikkim became a part of India? Let's dive into this fascinating history. Sikkim, a small Himalayan kingdom, joined India in 1975. But how did this happen? Let's explore the journey of Sikkim's integration into India. Sikkim was an independent kingdom since the 17th century, ruled by Chogyal dynasty. It maintained its sovereignty through alliances and treaties with its neighbors. During the British Raj, Sikkim became a British protectorate in 1890, which meant it retained autonomy but under British guidance. After India gained independence in 1947, Sikkim as a result became a protectorate under India and continued the relationship, maintaining its autonomy but facing internal and external pressures. By the 1970s, political unrest grew in Sikkim. The people demanded more democratic rights and closer integration with India. In 1975, a historic plebiscite was held, where over 97% of the Sikkimese people voted in favor of joining India, leading to the end of monarchy. On May 16, 1975, Sikkim officially became the 22nd state of India, marking a significant moment in India's history. Today, Sikkim is known for its stunning landscapes, vibrant culture, and as a progressive state within India, thriving as a part of the Indian Union. The integration of Sikkim into India is a testament to the country's unity in diversity. If you are an admirer of such plurality of India, follow the page. We are a tribe.